What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing the PPE boost increase valve on my 2003 LB7 Duramax. Granted, my truck has the EFI Live, so we may not see a difference, but Truckmaster was doing a giveaway, so we purchased this off his website, and well, we didn't win. So we're going to slap this on our truck and see if we can pick up a little bit of boosties, because who doesn't love boost? Right off the jump here, let's pop this open. What we got? There's our valve and 2 clamps. So it looks like all we'll need is a screwdriver and a pair of dikes or something to cut the hose. All right, once you're under the hood, first thing you want to do is locate the hose, which will be off your turbo here to your wastegate. Take it, make a little quick snip. Then get your hose clamps on there. And it says to install it with the arrows towards your wastegate, and that is your wastegate. So we'll slide that in there. And once you get it set in place, you're just going to slide these clamps over and then tighten them up. Pretty quick and easy install. 2 clamps, little snip. So what's left to do other than fire it up, and we'll see if it rolls cold, and then we'll drive it and see if we pick up anything or notice the difference. I'm not betting on much, but worth a shot. All right. So I definitely seen a little bit of smoke, but it also has the EFI Live. So keep in mind that that little valve may not be what's causing it to roll cold like that. It's probably the EFI Live. But let's take it on a little test drive, and then we'll see if we notice any pickup. Not holding my breath, but hey, let's give it a shot. All right, so now we're in the truck. Got it running. Got the AC on because it is a hot day here in South Carolina. And let's see if we pick anything up. Like I said, I got the EFI Live tune on here, so I got it turned down to the 1 setting, but it's still gonna be hard to tell. Quick little romp here. I actually feel like it's spooled slower. I don't know. Let's get out here on this main road. Noticing much. Well, maybe a little bit. it's probably worth the $25 investment just to see if you'll pick up a difference. But I assume since my truck's already got the EFI Live on there, maybe that's why I'm not seeing a difference or feeling a difference. If I actually had a boost gauge, maybe I'd be able to tell, but I don't have a boost gauge, so I'm just going off of what I feel as far as throttle response and, you know, pickup. Man, like I said, 25 bucks. I did it for a giveaway. I did it in hopes of winning a truck, which I didn't win, but I still got my truck. So, you know, I'd say shoot your shot. What's the worst that could happen? But that's it. Catch you later.